Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So it's pretty much official. Holiday season is in full swing. And you know what that means. I can finally listen to my Christmas music loud and proud. As I mentioned, I kind of started listening to it pretty early, maybe July. And I can start decking out the house and decking out my clothes with festive gear. So actually, let me get a little more comfortable. Back. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? And also, look at my earrings. They're also really cute little Christmas trees. Let me know if you guys love just decorating and also wearing just festive clothing during this time of the year. I honestly think it's just such a magical and spirited time. So, today I want to show you guys this really pretty, I would say it's like emerald jeweled type look. I think a lot of times we associate Christmas looks with just, green eyeshadow and incorporating red eyeshadow, but I saw this really cool look. I'm going to pop it up on the screen here where Hailey Bieber was wearing this like green and like turquoise and blue type eyeshadow combo, and it looks really pretty. Like, I think it's a nice unique twist on wearing green makeup for Christmas. And also gives off this like ethereal mystical look. Anyways, so yeah, I tried to recreate it today using what I have. So I actually used a combination again of my Too Faced Clover palette and my Pretty Rich palette. Hopefully I was able to achieve somewhat a close resemblance type look. But anyhow, I want to show you guys this pretty look that I think is a unique way to wear green during this time of the year. And just because no one asked for it, but because it's the holidays, I'm going to sing a special holiday song. So be right back.
Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is a bluebird, here to stay is a new bird, who sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid the plans that we've made, walking in a winter wonderland.
You guys enjoyed that song, put you in the holiday mood. If you guys want to see how I create this emerald navy bejeweled type eye look, then stick around and watch the tutorial. So the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so. The next step I'm going to take is I'm going to prime my eyes using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply tape at an angle to both sides of the eyes. For today's look, I am going to be using a combination of my most recent palette side purchase, the Clover palette, and the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. So I'm going to first start off with the Clover palette, and I'm going to first apply a base shade of Cuteness Overload all over the lids. For the inner corner to the half of the lid, I'm going to first start off with this minty green shade of Lucky Clover. Other half of the lid, I am going to go in with Spoil. And I'm just going to sweep some of that into the crease as well. Or where my eye socket sinks in, because I don't have a crease. Now I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the other palette, but before I do so, I am going to go into Cuteness Overload and just highlight those inner corners as well as the brow bone. Now we'll switch over to Too Faced Pretty Rich palette. So I am actually going to go in with Set the Jewel Tone because I kind of want to deepen that outer V and just dip into a darker blue shade. And again, just swooping it into where my eye socket sinks in, as well as concentrating on the outer V area. And then after that, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Pretty Rich palette and dip into one of those sparkles, because what's the holidays without some sparkles? So I'm actually going to go in with Fluid and Diamonds and just coat the inner corner to the half of the lid area. I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape now. And then the next step I'm going to take is I'm actually going to go back to my Too Faced Clover palette, and I'm going to go in with a combination of Best Friends, Lucky Clover, as well as Spoiled, and just dip into some of those colors and line the lower lash line. Added dimension and depth, I'm going to go in with my MAC eye pencil and Teddy and just further define the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and take the Clee Pretty Easy liquid lining pen and just create a kitten flick. Next step is I'm going to pop on some falsies. So again, using my go-to falsies favorite, which is Ardell Natural Lashes. I am back on my lucky falsy streak again, where I can just plop them on and be one and done. Okay, so now that the falsies are on, I'm going to go ahead and apply some mascara to the lower lash line. So I'm going to use my Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara from Lancome. Okay, and then after that, I'm just going to go ahead and dust on some blush using my Too Faced Sweetheart Perfect Blush Blush. And then I'm going to dust on my highlighter. I'm going to use my Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. For the lips today, I'm actually going to kind of go the same route that Haley took in her photo, which is go for a more nude, subtle shade. So I'm going to go back and use one of my favorites that I've been using for some time, which is wait, there's an additional optional step, so I'm going to be right back. Totally optional, but you know me, I love my party hats and festive earrings and all that stuff. Any excuse, I guess, just to be super over the top and festive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I think it's a beautiful jeweled emerald type look that is like a unique twist on using a lot of greens in your makeup for Christmas. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys are having a wonderful holiday, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.